Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to safely drain a node, and I will be creating a daemon set and a deployment. Then I will show you how to safely drain a node. So I will create a daemon set first, and this is the YAML for that daemon set. So I'll copy this and go to the my master node, paste that snippet of code, and this will create the daemon set for me. I am creating a daemon set and a deployment just to showcase like what is the difference when we drain a node and uncordon or cordon a node. So it's important that I create these two objects, and herein I will create a deployment. This is the YAML for the deployment. So only difference that I want to mention is here like daemon set will be daemon set, and daemon set doesn't have any replicas because it will run on each and every node. So if you have two nodes, it will be two daemon set. There will be two pods running on one each on those nodes. If you have three nodes, so depending on how many nodes you have, there will be that many number of pods, and there will be one pod on each and every node, and there is no rolling strategy and all. So this is the only difference between daemon set and a deployment. And here is the deployment. So as I mentioned, deployment would have replicas, it would have strategy, rolling strategy, all those things, but daemon set wouldn't have that. So I'll just copy this and create the deployment as well. So the deployment has been created. Now I will execute, like I'll show you like how this pod looks like. So you can see I have three pods running, and if I just zoom out, I'll just zoom out a bit some more so that it's all in one line. So you will see the pods are running on node part here. So daemon set is running on each node, one each, and the deployment is running on the worker. So I'll show you how what is the node status at this moment. So node status is ready for both master and worker, and I will now drain the worker. But I just wanted to show you for the exam that you don't have to remember all these commands. You can just write kubectl drain, the name of the node, and -- help. So if you do that like this, all the options that you have to provide will be, you can just read it and take these options. You don't have to memorize any of these commands. So the command that is required to actually drain a node looks something like this: kubectl drain, then worker node name, and delete empty dir data. So you can read about that delete empty dir, what it does. So it will force the pods even if they are using empty dir. And same for like force and the ignore daemon set. So this last flag is most important. So it will just say ignore daemon set managed pods. Okay, I'll just execute this command, and you can see in the output it's saying the worker node has been cordoned, and after that it is evicting my deployment pod. So here you can see it is evicting my deployment pod, and node worker drained. So because it has evicted the deployment pod, now if I look at the output for the pods, you will see my deployment pod has been rescheduled on the master node. It was earlier running on the worker node because the worker got drained. And daemon set does not have that effect because it's a daemon set. It must be running on all nodes, so that's why we have like ignore daemon sets. So if I now do kubectl get nodes, you will see the worker node has this flag scheduling disabled. Means worker node is up and running, but scheduling is disabled, so nothing can be scheduled on the worker node. So let's say we have done some maintenance, we have upgraded the worker node, and now we want to bring it back to the cluster so that scheduling can be enabled. So for that you just have to run uncordon command. So if I do like this, and if I then check out the kubectl get node, I can see the status is back to ready and scheduling disabled has gone. So I can just perform the cleanup. So I'll just delete the daemon set and the my deployment. So all the commands are there, and thanks for watching. Bye.